All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one, you want to dump it in? All right. All right. Take it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Brock, and this is how I dad.